Fail forward, rise stronger. Failure hurts, weakness feels embarrassing. Minsan gusto nating itago kasi society says, always win, always be strong. Pero 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9 reminds us, my grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Failure doesn't mean the end. It means you're learning. Weakness doesn't mean defeat. It means God's strength can shine through you. Here's how to embrace it. Own it. Admit mistakes kasi honesty is the first step to growth. Learn from it. Every failure is feedback, not final. Stay humble. Weakness reminds us we need God and others. Keep moving. Don't stop at failure. Use it as a stepping stone. Think of Michael Jordan. He was cut off from his high school basketball team. Instead of quitting, he said, I've failed over and over and over again in my life. That is why I succeed. When failure or weakness show up, don't hide. Accept it, learn from it, and rise stronger. Because with God, your weakness can become your greatest testimony.